boire,
means to drink. In this video, we will learn the verb to drink in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb. It does not follow any specific pattern. So, let's see, how do we conjugate it? I drink.
je bois,
You drink. Informal way.
tu bois,
He drinks. Masculine.
il boit,
She drinks. Feminine.
elle boit,
We drink, or one drinks. Informal way.
on boit,
We drink. Formal way.
nous buvons,
You drink. Formal way.
vous buvez,
They drink. Group of males or mixed people.
ils boivent,
They drink. Group of only females.
elles boivent,
This French verb is used to express the action of consuming liquids, such as water, coffee, or other beverages. It is a common and essential verb in daily life. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. I drink water.
je bois de l'eau, je bois de l'eau,
You drink orange juice.
tu bois du jus d'orange, tu bois du jus d'orange,
He drinks coffee.
il boit du café, il boit du café,
She drinks tea.
elle boit du thé, elle boit du thé,
We drink milk.
nous buvons du lait, nous buvons du lait,
We drink hot chocolate.
on boit du chocolat chaud, on boit du chocolat chaud,
You drink soda.
vous buvez du soda, vous buvez du soda,
They drink apple juice.
ils boivent du jus de pomme, ils boivent du jus de pomme,
They drink sparkling water.
elles boivent de l'eau gazeuse, elles boivent de l'eau gazeuse.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I drink.
Je bois,
You drink. Informal way.
tu bois,
He drinks. Masculine.
il boit,
She drinks. Feminine.
elle boit,
We drink, or one drinks. Informal way.
On boit.
We drink. Formal way.
Nous buvons.
You drink. Formal way.
Vous buvez.
They drink. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils boivent.
They drink. Group of only females.
Elles boivent.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.